Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an RC to show and share it with you. See, this is from Hosim brushless RC, which is 1:10 scale. So here the actual RC is. I just unboxed it. The box was in very bad shape, so I had to get it ready so that it should be a presentable before I make a video. So these are the things which just came out of this box. See, let me just open the cover and show it to you guys. Please bear with me. I'm just using my single hand. Okay, see, this is the remote controller. There's a kind of warning over here. Here the turning wheel is, and this trigger. And here steering trim, PCT, left right trim, throttle response, on off. Everything is available on this, and there is some sort of warning, another: do not pull the trigger while pairing. Not sure what that is. See, this is the main advantage of this RC. There's a 5200 milliamp of LiPo battery, which is 2 cell actually. It is very huge, might be somewhere around 350 grams almost. And see guys, I don't think this will be given with any other RC. I mean the cheap RCs. See, this is a balanced charger. This is not from Hosim. It says IMAX RC. Let me just open the box. Okay, see, there's one cable here. Okay, this is US pin, not our Indian one. Okay, I may have to buy one adapter for that. Okay, so here the adapter is, the balance charger is. See, here we connect the battery, and here the power cable. This one will be connected. Okay, so let's open this cover then. Okay, there's a manual inside. Brushless race Hosim 1:10 high speed. See, okay, many things are there inside. User guide, parts availability inside the box. Okay, good that they have given all the details inside here. Functioning of the remote, functioning of the car, and battery charging guides and everything. Let's not waste time in that. I'll see what else is there inside this. Okay, this is the warranty card. Good. Okay, I'll just register this RC. Okay, the another good thing of this Hosim is they give this battery charging, fireproof cover, so that you can put the battery inside this while charging, so it will avoid spreading the fire across around the things actually. See, here we have some tools, and there is battery strap. Apart from that, there is one charging cable, and this is one bag. I guess there's a tools bag or something. Alright, this was all. So let me go to the car now. I'll show you what's there inside this. Quickly remove these pins. By the way guys, I'll just leave you the link of this car in the description. If anybody is interested, just go through that, check and buy it. Okay. One more surprising thing here is you get two battery shell on this. See, one is blue and one is red. You can use whichever you like. My favorite is red. So there is one warning here: please rip off the protective film attached on this car body before use. Okay, there's a cover on the top of this. Just remove it as is. Okay, wow, this looks very heavy guys. Might be around 3 kgs. Okay, I don't think there's a oil inside the shocks, but still it's fine. It's not that much bouncy. Okay, they have used lots of metal inside this. See the pull rods, the CVDs, Okay, this is 3 kg servo, and there's an exhaust fan on ECS, and the best thing, the brushless motor. I'm not sure what's wrong with Hosim. Why did they give this floating motor here? See, there is no support below. It is floating completely. Fine, let's run and see how good it is. This looks good. Okay, that's fine. The tires, okay, it is very soft. It is. I don't think there is a lot of what to say, friction. There won't be a lot of friction on this cable. I mean, on these tires, you could see most of the things are metal here, and at the back, okay, even there is metal safeguard, and at back nothing. Okay, there's another thing, there's a wheelie bar here, see. Okay, so that's it for this, guys. I'll do one thing, I'll just try to make some speed run videos and share it with you very soon. Thank you, take care.